Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith and today I'm going to be looking at something from Bradford Exchange. This is one of their new Harry Potter items and I placed my order over the phone with them, and the assistant that I spoke to told me that this is the beginning of a whole bunch of these. There will be a collection of them, and this is the Dark Arts Candelabra. So let me show it to you. It arrived in some serious packaging and they were not taking any chances with this getting broken. So here it is. It is 6 inches wide and 10 inches tall, allegedly. I haven't actually measured it, but check that out. The detail on it is amazing, and I'll show you everything close up. I haven't put batteries in yet, so I'll show you what it looks like lit. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what other candelabra they come out with as well, because if this is just the first of a bunch, then, he did say, I can't remember what he said now. I don't think they were going to be a house-themed one. I think there was going to be one from the Great Hall and possibly one from Dumbledore's office. That's the impression I got. We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll do a community tab when I find out what else is coming. But for now, this is what it looks like. Pretty fab. Let me get some lights in it and turn this baby on. All right then. So it takes these little batteries as opposed to the larger ones. I can never remember which one's AA and which one's AAA, whatever. It's the little ones, the little red one. And they just pop into the bottom there like that. And then there we go. So let's have a look. Oh, okay, that's so much fun. Oh my goodness, I love it. I can't wait to see it at night. I'll try and make the room a bit darker so that you can actually see it. It looks quite bright, doesn't it? Fab. Okay, let me show you the detail close up. All right then, just look at the wax all melted. Looks really cool. We've got this gorgeous decoration here with the skulls and the snake heads. Very cool indeed. And then in the middle, that great big skull. It looks like it's swallowing the snake. Oh my goodness. And then down at the bottom, the snake head. That is pretty fab, isn't it? And then let's just light him up. There we go. Oh my goodness, love, love, love. Okay, let me turn the lights out. Wow, that is actually quite bright. I mean, you're not going to be able to sit and read by this, but oh, how fab, especially for, I mean, a room like this one where it's full of nonsense. It's going to be perfect. But imagine it in a dark academia room as well, in your library. Imagine walking up the stairs at night. It's just so cool holding on to this thing. Well, I don't know. I love it. It gives me joy, put it that way. And I can't wait to see what they do next. All right, then, moving on. All right, well, I think that covers it. What do you think? Personally, as someone who has cats, I usually have one live candle burning in here all the time. The rest of the time, I try to keep just, LED candles like this. You're not going to be able to read with this or anything like that. It's not going to be particularly useful. It's just aesthetic. And I love this whole dark academia feel to it. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, take care. Stay safe, everybody. All right, well, I think that just about covers it. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Okay.